Hey everyone, today we're diving into the 2025 DS7, a French luxury SUV that's looking to shake up the premium crossover segment. Does it have what it takes to challenge the German establishment? Let's find out. In the increasingly crowded luxury SUV segment, the 2025 DS7 arrives with French flair and distinctive styling that sets it apart from its German rivals. But does different necessarily mean better? Let's dive deep into what makes this premium crossover tick. Starting at $39,000, the DS7 positions itself against heavyweights like the BMW X1, Audi Q3, and Mercedes GLA. First impressions matter, and the DS7 makes a bold statement with its striking front fascia. The large grille proudly wears the DS badge, while slim headlights and distinctive daytime running lights create an unmistakable signature. Rolling on wheels up to 21 inches, this SUV commands attention without shouting for it. Under the hood, DS offers two powertrain choices, a 1.5-liter diesel engine or plug-in hybrid options. The diesel, producing 131 horsepower, manages the 0 to 60 sprint in a leisurely 10.7 seconds. It's not going to win any drag races, but it delivers impressive efficiency, averaging 53 miles per gallon in mixed driving. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that's quintessentially French, for better or worse. The cabin features a mix of materials and diamond patterns that might be too busy for some tastes. The oversized gear lever and touch-sensitive buttons beneath the infotainment screen feel like style winning over substance. However, the build quality impresses, with premium materials adorning most surfaces you'll touch frequently. Technology comes in the form of dual screens, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 12-inch infotainment display. While the graphics could be brighter, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration help streamline the user experience. The system responds well to inputs, though it lacks the intuitive nature of its German competitors. Where the DS7 truly shines is practicality. The boot offers a class-leading 555 liters of space, trumping both the BMW X1 and Audi Q3. However, there's an annoying ridge in the load floor that makes sliding larger items a challenge. Passenger space is generous up front, while rear passengers enjoy decent legroom, though headroom might be tight for taller occupants, especially with the panoramic roof. On the road, the DS7 prioritizes comfort over sportiness, and it's all the better for it. The sophisticated suspension system uses cameras to scan the road ahead, adjusting damping to smooth out imperfections. It works brilliantly most of the time, though occasional sharp bumps can catch it out. The light steering makes city driving a breeze, with an 11.8-meter turning circle helping in tight spots. Highway cruising is where this French SUV feels most at home. Wind and road noise are well suppressed, though not quite to the levels of its German rivals. The diesel engine settles into a refined hum at speed, and the available drive assist system takes the strain out of long journeys with its adaptive cruise control and lane positioning features. Safety equipment is comprehensive, with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist standard across the range. The DS7 earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, providing peace of mind for family buyers. The ownership experience should be relatively painless, with a 3-year warranty and 24-hour assistance included. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 DS7? It's a compelling alternative to the usual suspects in the premium SUV segment. The combination of distinctive styling, class-leading cargo space, and impressive comfort makes it worth considering. However, the fussy interior design and occasionally sluggish diesel powertrain might give some buyers pause. For those willing to look beyond the established German brands, the DS7 offers a unique blend of comfort, practicality, and French charm. It's not perfect, but it's different. And sometimes, different is exactly what the market needs. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the DS7. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, Hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.